Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mara's Tech. Are you stuck with Tencent GameLoop in Chinese and can't understand anything? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy methods to change GameLoop language to English in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch till the end because the second method works even if the first one fails. Let's get started. First, open GameLoop. Now, look at the top right corner and click on the 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, click on the third option. That's the settings. Now you'll be in the basic settings section. Here, find the second last drop-down menu. Click on it and select English. If you can see English here, great. Your problem is almost solved. But if you don't see English or any other language, don't worry. Let's move to the second method, which always works. Before that, make sure to close GameLoop completely and also quit it from the taskbar tray. This step is very important, so don't skip it. Now press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type Regedit and press Enter. Then click Yes. A new window will open. From the left side, expand HKey_current_user, then go to Software, and expand it and then scroll down, and expand Tencent. Now click on Mobile Game PC. On the right side, you will see different settings. At the bottom, you will find User Language. Right-click on it and click Modify. Now change the value from ZH_CN to EN or EN_US, and then click OK. That's it. Now open GameLoop again, and it should be in English. If it still doesn't change, simply close it again, quit it from the taskbar tray, and reopen it. This usually fixes the issue. Also, comment below Done if it worked for you, or let me know your issue. I'll try to help you as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Mara's Tech, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.